Hello everyone, I am going to be making a mini journal page for you today. I am going to be using the new 5 Crazy Ladies mini journal. It is approximately 180 GSM. It will take a bit of treatment. I have done texture paste, I've splattered, I've sprayed, so it's pretty good paper. So we're going to use this one. This one is called Trish. So they are available at Flourish. Then we're going to use the 5 Crazy Ladies paint splashed puppies. 5 Crazy Ladies star stencil and the gears. Then we're also going to use some splashes from the ink splats from Visible Image. And then we're going to, for the background, we are using Wilted Violet, Abandoned Coral and Peacock Feathers. So let's get started. Put them out. Now, this also does come with a little pen holder that you can adhere to the back, which is really handy. So we'll go to this page. So I'm going to start blending the background, and I'm going to I will speed this up for you. That is the background. Get these out of the way, and then we're just going to get a wet wipe, fresh packet, and we're just going to pick areas and just wipe away. Okay, don't worry about that. You can, if you don't like areas, you can always put the stickers over. Okay. Okay, so I have selected these puppies. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. So I think what I will do is, because he's quite symmetrical, I'm going to cut him in half down the middle. Stick. Oh, forget that. We need some more backgrounds. And we'll use this splatter and some Nocturne ink. That will do. to the puppy. Cut him in half. He's going to go there. That one will go there. And I think we will arrange maybe like that. Okay, so it's just a case of fiddling around to get where that sticker starts. These dogs are so cute. There's so many in the pack. You can do quite a few of these little pages. I'm sure the kids would love them as well. Alright, so next I will just add a few white highlights. Let me find my pen. There it is. Right. You just add the highlights where you want. These have got some highlights added before them. Like that. That will do for that. Now I'm going to add some of these sentiments from the No Filter visible image stamp set. If you've got other words that you've got or want to use those. So bear with me. I think we shall use Brave. Again, what I might do is try see what it looks like. Okay, give that a clean. Go for love in pink. And let's go for No Filter. So there you have it, a quick mini journal using 3 colours, 4 stickers and a couple of stencils and stamps. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall be back another day with some other ideas. Bye.